Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create an inventory source in a multi-vendor marketplace. First, click the Seller Login button. Once the seller dashboard is open, go to Settings, then Inventory Source. Click the Create Inventory Source button. Add the general attributes. Enter the code, name, and description. Set the latitude, longitude, and priority. Enable the status. Select the country, state, city, and street name. Enter the postcode. Provide the contact person's name, email address, and contact number. Enter the fax number. Finally, click Save Inventory Source, and your new inventory source will be created successfully. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.